Okay guys, this is going to be really hard to film, but I'll give it a try here. Basically I'm replacing the dash speaker on the 99 S10 Chevy truck. So, I'll take you with me here. As you can see, I already got the speaker off. I prepared the new speaker. For review on that one, it's on the other video. Whoever designed this speaker or the location, oh my god, they shouldn't be doing that job. In the factory they set up the speakers first, then they put the windshield, so it's, you know, not a big deal for them. But when I replace it, I'm not going to remove the windshield for stupid speaker. So basically what I'm doing in here, I'm peeling back some of the black tape that comes in so the wires have more room. Because of the tight space in here, I won't be able to do like soldering or anything like that. It's going to be really difficult. So what I'm doing in here, I'll put quick connectors to it and, you know, supplies into the actual wires. Okay, so basically we have two cables. Brown is positive and the gray, yeah, gray is negative and brown is positive on this side. Now this is the speaker I'll be replacing it with. As you can look in here, I had to just enlarge the holes in here on this corner, this one and that one and this one in here and this one in here, so hopefully it will fit straight. I'll give it a test. Nice, it actually fits. Alright, let's go for the wiring. Oop, mistake. We don't need to strip those. As you can see, the space is really tight in here. There's no extra slack in the factory harness or anything like that, so you gotta be careful what you're doing in here. You got only one shot. Alright. Okay, cool. Alright, give it a test. Now, what I'll do here, actually, I will test the speaker. So I'll get the radio on and see if it's actually working or not. It's working! So, it's working. Let's put it in. So this is 7mm. Now it's the time for the cover. Now here's where's the real struggle. So basically no screwdriver will fit, so what I would do, have the 1/4 inch, I'll make it as adapter to fit like this, then I'll hook them all together like this. But not always the case that this will fit. Ah, shit. Well, you see it firsthand on camera. Ha! I gotta fix this first. Alright, so after that broke off, as you saw, basically I was trying to do something creative. You know, the middle I have in here, it's basically that's what's left, so I cut it off, and from the speaker I have this mesh, which is actually metal. Aluminum, I don't know what it is, it's just sort of metal. So anyway, I thought like I'll replace this with that and basically put it in the middle and shape it up, and so that's gonna be, you know, acceptable. Yeah, looks different, you know, something. While I was working on it, while trying to fit it up, and this thing just suddenly snapped. So this was the point where I was like, well, I spent too much time on it. I gotta order a new part, and basically it will go from there. Alright guys, we're back at it. I finally got this completed. I ordered a new one. It cost me about $15. It's the OEM. Of course, it's off eBay. What else? Yeah, 3 mistakes I did during last time. Basically, mistake number 1, I was on a hurry. Don't ever do it when you're on a hurry. Mistake number 2, it was cold outside. I didn't learn from my mistake. Still cold outside and still doing it outside. The third thing, actually, there was 2 ears, and one in this corner, one that corner. They should, you know, fit in a slot. I did not pay attention to that, so I was just pushing down on it, so I broke the ears in here on those 2 corners. And, you know, as you can see, it was like a stiff plastic, you know, all brittle plastic, and you know, when you get to hit to an old plastic, you see like this one is basically somewhat pliable, you know, just in case it's like it's movable, but after, you know, a few years it's not gonna be like this in the sun and all that. Yeah, I guess so. Hopefully you guys learned from my mistake, and again, thank you for watching the channel, and have a great day.